A pipe bursts on Sunday, and suddenly everyone says the other person has to pay. Here is the clean rule for rental repairs in Colombia. Do not start by asking how expensive the repair is. Start with the cause. Colombian rental rules generally separate repairs into two groups: necessary repairs and locative repairs. Necessary repairs keep the home safe, usable, and habitable. If an internal pipe breaks, roof water is leaking in, fixed wiring fails, gas lines are unsafe, or humidity comes from the building facade that usually belongs to the owner unless the tenant caused it. Age of the property also matters. Normal wear is not automatically the tenant's debt. Locative repairs are the tenant's side. Think of everyday use or damage caused by the person living there: replacing a light bulb, fixing a small faucet washer, unclogging a drain blocked by your own waste, replacing glass broken by a hit, or repairing excessive holes in a wall. Guests, family, and people under the tenant's responsibility count too. The messy cases need diagnosis. In a furnished apartment, if the refrigerator motor simply reaches the end of its life, that usually points to the owner. If it was hit, altered, or used against the manual, that can point to the tenant. With heaters, gas appliances, humidity, and electrical issues, get a written technical opinion before paying or blaming anyone. If the owner does not handle a serious necessary repair, notify them in writing first. Send WhatsApp and email if possible. Date, room, photos, video, risk, and the specific visit or repair you are requesting. For an emergency, get a diagnosis and quote, but do not approve a remodel and call it a repair. Under Colombian rental law, an indispensable repair that was reported and ignored may be handled by the tenant and later claimed or deducted, but document everything before touching the money. The practical rule is simple: cost first, proof second, payment third. For the full written guide and real rentals, sales, services, local businesses, and providers across Colombia, go to Colombia-move.com.